Hello everyone. I'm really sorry I'm not uploading any videos because the Bangalore weather is in this monsoon very cold and I cannot stand cold. So I've been tucked in a blanket this whole week. Today it's a little sunny. It is cloudy but a little sun has come out, so I thought okay, let's do a short video answering all your questions. You've been asking a few questions about the tranexamic acid and which I forgot to answer in the previous videos. So here we go. First of all, I'm so glad that people who are looking for melasma treatment to their mom or someone dear, near and dear ones, have found my video helpful. Glad to help. And I'm so sorry that I forgot to mention the price of this product in my previous videos. The price is 649 rupees. You can get it easily from Nykaa.com. And also a few of you have been asking how to apply this product. I've never shown it, sorry, because it's really not possible to show it in the outside daylight because the product is sunlight sensitive. But I thought okay, no problem, I'll demo it for you no matter what. So I'm risking the contamination and of this product and damage of my mom's skin, but I'll ask her to wash it off immediately. But just because you asked, here's the demo. It's nothing difficult. So first, cleanse your face. What we use is the Forest Essentials face wash, which is Mashobra honey and rose water cleanser for dry skin. That's what I'm giving her. She's washing her face with that, and then you have to let the face dry off completely. There should be no moisture left. No moisture. Apply nothing before applying the serum. So on the completely dry skin, open it almost full but not completely. Keep it like this. Press it once and release, and you will get this much product. Sorry, it's falling off. And put it either on your palm, or you can, without touching the skin, directly put it on to the affected areas, or you can even apply this on the whole face, no problem. So what I do is, I have really unstable hands, so the product keeps slipping this way or that way. So what I do is, without touching the skin, I'm not demoing it on the whole face, only on one side. Wait, let me zoom in. So wherever the affected area is, I'm spreading it on that, or you can even apply it on the whole face, no problem. You can see it being oily. It feels slightly oily. You don't have to massage it in until it absorbs. You just apply it on the area, leave it, it'll get absorbed on its own. Just leave it like that, okay? And I'll send her in to wash her face off because it is sunlight sensitive. It'll damage her skin even more. Majamu dhole. And I forgot to tell you one thing. After applying the tranexamic acid, I don't apply any moisturizer or anything on my mom's face because she doesn't like it. She never applies anything, so I just apply the tranexamic acid and leave it. That's it. Yeah, that's what we've been following. And I don't know if you can apply anything. I'm not sure. I'm really sorry. Ha! So it's me now. Because of the rainy weather, I'm not able to record the videos. I'm so sorry. I've promised a video last time. I know in my mom's melasma update video, 3-week update video, I told that I'm gonna review one product and I'll do a comparison test also. But because of the rains, I sit here in the garden and it's not possible to sit in the mud every time. I have to carry all my equipment out. So it's really not being possible. I'm sorry. And I've bought a few Dudliest makeup products. Yeah, Dudliest, because they turned out pure duds. I'm wearing one right now. Can you figure it out? Which one it is? Hmm? Can you? I'm sorry if that was not possible. I'm figuring out how to make them work. So I'll show you what those duds are, and if I had figured out how to make them work, if you already have that, in case you have that product already, you can know how to make it work. See you in the next video, which is, I'm hoping I'll record it within this week and upload within next week. Next midweek. Yeah, for sure. My word. My word. If you have any more questions, ask in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them. Alright? Thank you. Love you all.